I'm here today with the SMALLRIG V-mount battery system. It's kind of a phone case, but not quite. You can easily put your phone on this because you have this mounting plate right here, which you can lock into place or easily release. So that's pretty cool. And let me show you. So you can put your camera on there. It has two of these screws, so you can also mount different types of cameras. But for well, most cameras, just the main one is okay. So you have that. Then you can also set how far away you want your camera to be by releasing that. And then you have this release system, which is cool. And this also folds, so you can easily take it with you. It's pretty light, so you can put that on your camera and then still use a gimbal, for example. And of course, here's the V-mount system, which is a quick release and it's very, very heavy duty, very sturdy. You also have this V-mount plate that you can put in, so you can also use other types of batteries in there or other types of systems if you want. You can use this for anything other than batteries, of course, but it is mainly used for those V-mount batteries with the V in there. So you can put that right in there. Just clamp this, release the battery and then put in a new one, so you always have power. And the way I use this is usually with the screen popped open, and then have this all the way up to the camera. So I have the screen here and then the V-mount battery right there, so I can still access the screen. So that's my favorite setup, but you can do it in other ways as well. You can have more room here if you'd like. Set your camera like this and then have a little bit room for your monitor. You could do it like that as well, but I do it like this because I do a lot of handheld shots, and in this way you have like the room to and it's more in balance as well, so this helps with those stabilizing those handheld shots as well. So SMALLRIG, I really love it. I have a lot of SMALLRIG clamps and that sort of things. It's a premium brand, it feels really sturdy, so I really recommend.